Let's walk through diag on a truck that just got dropped off. He's saying noise. He's got a noise. Test drive is the first thing. The exhaust is pretty loud, so it'll be harder to hear noises, but work with what you got. Taking it down some curvy roads. See if I can get it to make some noises. All right, there we go. A right-hand turn. It's kind of got this sound. Do a little swerves. Yep. Feels like it's coming from the front left. Whenever you turn right, it loads up the left side, so we're putting more pressure on the left side. Now it's time to put it on the lift and do some inspections. We know our target area. All right, guys, I totally forgot to film while we're inspecting in the air. Anyways, spin this wheel, and it's obvious you got your noise coming from the front left. Everything looked good over there. Ball joints have been replaced and whatnot. This lower ball joint had play. It was a Moog lifetime warranty one, and it didn't look that old, so I don't know why there's play in it, but there is. Took this tire at 12 and 6 o'clock, give it the old shimmy shake. It's got a small amount of play in it. Same way this way and this way. Found an outer tie rod that was loose. So now we get back to the customer and see what he wants to do. We'll quote him a price and get him scheduled in.